sanitary napkin manufacturing machine. KOMAL Hygiene Solution, sanitary napkins manufacturing machine for making ultra-thin sanitary napkins. Comfortable, hygienic and highly absorbent sanitary pads are made through a complete production line of semi-automated technology. This process includes sealing and cutting machine under set speed of production with capacity to make 15 to 40 pieces of sanitary pads per minute of various models. The quality process continues with sterilization of the pads under ultraviolet rays, ready to be packed and sealed for sale. All KOMAL Hygiene Solutions conforms to the specification of Bureau of Indian Standards. At KOMAL Hygiene Solutions, technology is driven by semi-automatic process starting from preparation of napkin by joining 4-5 layers materials, sealed and packed after UV ray sterilization.